The sticky dashboard problem has become a significant issue for Toyota Camry owners, particularly affecting specific model years and geographic regions. Understanding the root causes helps explain why this problem occurs and who is most at risk. The problem primarily affects Toyota Camry models from 2007 to 2011, with the sixth generation being most susceptible. Models from 2012 to 2014 show moderate occurrence rates, while newer models have largely resolved this issue through improved materials. The root cause lies in material degradation. Dashboard plastics contain plasticizers that migrate to the surface over time. Combined with UV radiation from sunlight, repeated heat cycling, and humidity, these factors break down the polyurethane coatings that give dashboards their smooth feel. Geographic location plays a crucial role in this problem. Areas with high UV exposure and hot climates show significantly higher rates of dashboard degradation. The southwestern United States, Florida, and Texas report the highest incidence rates, while northern regions see much lower occurrence. While Toyota has not issued widespread recalls for this specific issue, the automotive community has responded actively. Consumer advocacy groups document cases, independent repair shops develop specialized protocols, and online communities share solutions. Most affected vehicles are now out of warranty, making community-driven solutions increasingly important. There are several proven methods to clean sticky dashboards, ranging from simple DIY solutions to professional-grade treatments. The most effective cleaning method uses 70 to 91% isopropyl alcohol with microfiber cloths. This achieves an 85 to 90% success rate for mild to moderate stickiness. Commercial dashboard cleaners offer convenient alternatives. Chemical Guy's Total Interior Cleaner and diluted Meguiar's Endurance Tire Gel both provide good results with a 70 to 80% success rate. For severely degraded dashboards, advanced techniques like acetone treatment or sanding may be necessary, but these require professional expertise and extreme caution. Prevention is far more effective than restoration. Several strategies can protect your dashboard from developing stickiness in the first place. UV protection is crucial for prevention. Dashboard covers, sunshades, and window tinting all help block harmful ultraviolet rays that break down dashboard materials. Environmental control includes temperature management by parking in shade, humidity control using moisture absorbers, and maintaining a regular monthly cleaning routine with appropriate products. Remember, prevention is 10 times more cost-effective than restoration. Early intervention with proper cleaning methods and protective measures will keep your dashboard in excellent condition for years to come.